my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about self-care motivation. I'm going to show you how I cook simple breakfast for my family. That is, today I'm going to cook simple fluffy pancakes. I'm also going to show you how I'm going to organize and clean up my other room. I'm also going to show you how I take care of my skin, that is my face, and also a simple hygiene video. So feel welcome and hope you enjoy watching this video.
I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. In your presence I am free from the chain that has bound me. In your presence I am calm.
It is now time to cook the pancakes. It is a very simple process and I hope you will follow, guys, so that you can also try this at home.
My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. I have searched many years on end.
Our pancakes are now ready, and as you can see guys, they look delicious. I just hope everyone is going to enjoy them, and yes, I'm looking forward to that.
Out for your presence in here.
Next, I'm going to show you, this is the room that I'm going to clean. As you can see, it is very complicated. There's so many stuff that are not organized, so I'm just going to take my time and organize it until I make sure it looks good.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
And this is how the room looks after organizing it and cleaning it up. I'm just liking it because it was horrible. It now looks better. I bought the 2 small baskets so that I could keep my makeup inside. And as you can see, for the mattress that was just lying beside the bed, I had to find a cover to cover it up because it gets dusty when it's left like that. After cleaning up, it is now time for me to get a shower because I believe after every work one needs something relaxing, and that is a good shower. That is what I'm going to do.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
today I'm going to prepare my own homemade mask, that is avocado and lemon mask. The mask is so relaxing and cooling, that's why I love it. So I'm just going to prepare it, then afterwards I apply it in my face.
I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your
So guys, I'm just going to let this mask settle in my face for 20 minutes, then after that I'll wash it off. But before that, I was doing something in this room. It was very disorganized and I tried to give it a better look. As you can see, I organized some of the things and I just want to show you how I did it. So up here, there are these ones and this one. Yes. So guys, this is my UV lamp. At times I do my nails when I have time and my kids are not so disturbing. So at times I do my nails in the house. That's why I bought this one. And then in this basket I have put my makeup. I have a lot of makeup. By the way, sometimes I do makeup for, like the last time I did a bridal makeup for a certain lady who called me to go and do for her makeup. So I do makeup. That's why I have this makeup. Although they're mine, sometimes I do it for some people when they request me to. So this is my eyeshadow, which is from Too Faced. Yeah, Too Faced 25 color collection. Let me show you. It's a nice one. It has nice colors. And then I have this one, which is from Miss Rose Professional Makeup. See, it is also a nice one. I've been using it for some time. I have this one from Mask. It can be some nice one. I like it. Actually, I like traveling with it because it's portable. It's a nice one. This is the one that I use most of the time. And then in this small bag is where I keep my brushes, my makeup brushes. Although others are here, this is where I keep the small ones. The small ones, you know, they can easily get lost. I have a tape. If you're doing makeup, I think it's a must for you to have a tape. Not a must, but for me, I need it. Sometimes when I do my eyeshadow, I use it to line up the eyeliner. Yeah, I have it. Then these are my falsies, although I've never put falsies, but I have them. I know in one occasion I'll need them, although my lashes are so long, and so I don't put up eyelashes. And these are my beauty blenders. So these are the small brushes. So let me keep on showing you. And then I have this small bag. This is where I keep my how do we call it? Surely, let me show you. My concealers. My concealers are here. This is my contour. My concealers. There are so many. This is my eyeliner, mascara, my concealer again from Maybelline. So there are many. Also, there's this bag, this small bag. This is where I keep my lipstick. They're here. So this is from Melted. I don't have to show you, but they're nice lipsticks. And this one, I love this one. It is from Pauline Cosmetics. It is so, it is glossy, by the way. It is a nice lipstick. Yeah, it is a nice one. I have two of them. This one is BMC Bombshell, and the other one is the other color. It is not inside here, but I think it's in my handbag. What else is in these baskets? Also, I also have this contour. It's called Any Lady Contour. I have this one, although it is almost finished, but some is remaining in the corners. I love it. It is very shiny, so I have not thrown it away until I complete it. Then I have this one, and then this one is my glue. I sometimes use it for my wig, although sometimes I also use it to put falsies on some people's eyes. Yes, so that is it. That is it in this basket. And then there's this basket. This is where I have put my foundations. Okay, I have a small mirror. Then I have these foundations. This one is this is Super Stay Maybelline. It's number 75 Mocha. It's for dark, not dark, a bit chocolate skin, but I can also use it on some dark people. It really blends well with skin tone of black people, black and chocolate. And then I have this one from Zikel Cosmetics. This is mine. I use it on my face. It is a nice one, full coverage. Even this one, it has very full coverage. also this is mine. This is for my skin tone, which is number 61, warm bronze. Yes. This is my vitamin C, my primer. This is foundation, it's from Revlon. It's mine also. It's for my skin tone, that is. Then this is highlighter, which is almost broken. It is from Miss Rose Professional Makeup too. Then this is my setting spray. There's so many. This is my also setting spray. This is my concealer. It's from Langman. This is also a setting spray. And this is my highlighter from Golden Rose. And these are my eyebrow gel. I have two of them, the black one and the brown one. So sometimes instead of applying eye pencil, I use eyeliner. Sorry, eyebrow gel. This is my color for my eyelashes. Then this is my lip gloss. It's a nice one. It's called Absolute. Very nice lip gloss. What else? There's this one. This is a cleansing mousse from Dr. Rachel. I use it to wipe my makeup. It wipes very nicely, so you can have it if you want it. It's called Dr. Rachel Hyaluronic Acid Essence Cleansing Mousse. Okay. Then I also have another mascara. This one I've been using it for some time. It's a nice one, very thick. It puts your eyelashes in place. It's a nice one. I also have another concealer. It's here because I don't use it most of the time. It is from Slick. It is Life Proof Concealer from Slick. It's a nice one. Very expensive, but I didn't like it that much. This is my moisturizer, Skin Touch moisturizer, my setting spray. I also have other eyelashes. I told you I don't put eyelashes, but I have them. Maybe someday I'll decide to put them. So when I like something, I just buy it and keep it, because I know one day I'll decide to use it. What else is remaining? Then these are for my nails. This is base, top coat. This is gel and primer. So I must have the three. The black ones first, the base, the primer, and the top coat, and then the gel of my choice. So what else? I also have another lip gloss. It is called Final Love Moist Long Lasting Lip Gloss. It's a nice one also. And then I have this setting powder. It is finishing. I don't know. You can use it as a finishing powder or a setting powder. It is from Pauline Cosmetics. I'm telling you, Pauline Cosmetics have very nice products. Especially this setting powder. Very nice. This is cocoa. This is not for my skin tone. Let me show you the one for my skin tone. Actually, you can try it. It's a nice one. So you apply your foundation, you can just apply this setting powder and you be like that the whole day. It's really good. So yeah, it's a nice setting powder. So that is it. That is what I was able to arrange today. All this makeup, they have been staying in my bag, and I found out that some of them were broken, so I decided to buy these small baskets so that I can put them inside. And these are my brushes. These are for my nails. I told you I do my nails in the house, so I have these ones. This is for my small brush for my eyeshadow. Then this one is for applying what is that? For applying powder, loose powder, that is on my compact, it depends. Then this is my foundation brush, as you can see. This is my contour brush. This is my powder brush. So now the 20 minutes are over, and I'm just going to wash off this mask, this avocado and lemon mask. I'm telling you, this mask is very good. You feel moisturized. You feel that mint effect in your face when you put it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. It's cooling, huh? Yeah, it's a nice one. You can try it. I actually do it every Friday. I make sure that I apply this avocado mask every Friday. So that is it.
On end, there was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence. Many years on end, there was none that my soul could depend.
And that is all I had for you guys today. I just hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please do not forget to comment. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, remember to like the video and remember to share to your friends. We need this channel to grow, and by sharing, I know we are going to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so. I love you guys. Bye, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.
In His name I find